Bold, sizable, imposing. The Marumbi Stadium, a very warm welcome to you. I'm John Champion, and providing analysis alongside me is our expert Jim Beglin.
Hello John, hello everyone, it's a real pleasure to be here.
Lazovic. Didn't have any luck with the through ball there.
Yeah, and the vision to get him through was all good, but the execution of the pass wasn't quite right. But importantly, he's holding his line until the very last moment, and that will pay off.
Difficult to choose between these two sides. Not many chances as yet. It's Messi. Messi plays it long. No change in that score, 0-0 it remains. Rakitic. Daniel Alves. Mascherano. Daniel Alves. Sergio Busquets. Iniesta. Jordi Alba. Neymar. He tried going it alone, but without success.
Oh, the fans will be annoyed with that. They tried to walk it in.
And the ball's out of play. The goal now would certainly liven things up. They've scored! That really tested the strength of the net.
Yeah, I just thought he made great use of his upper body there. It would have taken something really special to keep that out.
So we start again at 1-0.
Oh, they've done well to take the lead there, but they can't let their opponents back in. They have to stay focused.
It's Neymar. Iniesta. Rakitic. Daniel Alves. Mascherano. Sergio Busquets. Mathieu. Iniesta. Daniel Alves. Rakitic. Mathieu. Here's Neymar. Looking to carve open the defence. Neymar! And the decision is offside. Whistle signals the end of the first half.
Well, that certainly pleased the fans, and the players are definitely happy with that scoreline. The question is now, can they protect it?
Just one goal, the difference between them. Here we go with the second half. Skillfully hit. He so nearly exploited that mistake.
I love to see a team closing down from the front like that, and I think they did brilliant to win it back and get the shot away.
We all know what he can do.
He's just a nightmare for any defence. His movement, his pace, his anticipation, it's on another level. It's so hard for any defence to contain that.
Sergio Busquets. Iniesta plays it into the danger area. Lazovic. An important interception, things were starting to look dangerous. Daniel Alves. Messi. Here's Neymar. Iniesta. Lazovic. Sergio Busquets. A long ball forward. This goes for a throw-in. There's plenty of activity down by the touchline. Looks like we're going to get a substitution.
Well, if the deadlock is about to be broken, then it may well have to come from the bench. I mean, fresh legs when others are beginning to tire now could just do the trick. This game might just get a little stretched that could help.
Clock showing 75 minutes. Mascherano. Daniel Alves. Well intercepted, saw the danger and got to it. Rakitic. No, needed a better ball there. The danger was there, he dealt with it well. They get it forward. Chance to counter-attack here.
Well, he was given the time and room initially to hold on to the ball, but eventually he was squeezed that bit harder and the task became too much. I think he's got to be a little quicker in his distribution then and get others into the match.
And he's pretty grateful to get that clear. The clock counting down. Just stop its time standing between them and a huge victory now. Here's Messi. Oh. There's the whistle. The game's finished. By the narrowest of margins, they have come through this test. And that owed a lot to the defence, who were absolutely brilliant.
Well, once they got that goal, I just thought they were very dogged in seeing the game through. And that clean sheet, you know, key to the win.